Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you how many liters of oil a Nissan Pathfinder needs for all model years. First of all, if you have a Nissan Pathfinder from the years 1987 to 1995, equipped with the 3.0-liter V6 engine, the oil capacity is approximately 4.0 liters, depending on the version and whether the oil filter is changed. If we move on to the models from 1996 to 2004, mainly equipped with the 3.3-liter V6 engine or the 3.5-liter V6 engine, the oil capacity can vary from approximately 4.0 to 4.7 liters, depending on the specific engine. For Nissan Pathfinders from 2005 to 2012, equipped with the 4.0-liter V6 engine, the oil capacity is approximately 4.7 liters with an oil filter change. Continuing with the models from 2013 to 2020, equipped with the 3.5-liter V6 engine, the oil capacity is approximately 5.1 liters, depending on the year and version. In the most recent models from 2022 to 2026, the Nissan Pathfinder uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine and requires approximately 5.1 liters of oil with an oil filter change. In short, the oil capacity of the Nissan Pathfinder changes depending on the year and the engine. That's why it's always important to check your vehicle's specific capacity before doing an oil change. And remember this, after adding the oil, always check the level with the dipstick and add oil little by little until you reach the correct level.